In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require a phone number on Calendly, a step-by-step full guide for 2025. Calendly is a fantastic tool for streamlining your scheduling needs, whether it's for professional meetings or personal appointments. By ensuring that your invitees provide their phone numbers, you can enhance communication, reduce missed connections, and ensure a smoother experience overall. So let's get started. First off, you'll need to log into Calendly, open your preferred browser, and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, simply enter your credentials to access your account. Logging in will take you to your dashboard, which is your control center for all things scheduling. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at your list of events. These events are like calendars set up for different purposes, and they can vary based on the type of meeting or appointment you're scheduling. Find the specific event type you want to update. Once you've located it, go ahead and select this event. This selection will open up a range of customization options. Now, direct your attention to the lower right side of your screen. Here, you'll find the More Options button. Clicking on this will give you additional configurations for your chosen event. Next, search for the Invitee Form option from the menu that appears. Selecting this will bring you to a new panel where you can customize what information you ask from your invitees when they book an event with you. Here's the fun part. Scroll down through the panel until you see the option to add new question. You'll want to click on this to open up a prompt, which allows you to add a new field to your invitee form. When naming your question, be clear and concise. A straightforward example you might use is, "What's your phone number?" This not only lays out exactly what you want, but also keeps things simple and understandable for your invitees. Once your question is named, it's time to make it mandatory. You'll see a toggle switch next to the new question box. Make sure you toggle this switch so that it indicates the question is now required. When someone books an appointment, they will be required to fill in this field before proceeding. After that, it's crucial to change the answer type. In this case, select phone number from the drop-down menu. This ensures that the input field is formatted correctly, specifically to capture phone numbers. Finally, after you've input all the necessary details and settings, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This step solidifies all the adjustments you've made, making them active the next time someone schedules with you on Calendly. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive way to ensure phone numbers are a required field on your Calendly invites. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.